Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, with the advent of the Bing chat AI that is based on ChatGPT, and there was a lot of talk of, Bing being more popular according to Microsoft, more people going to Bing and all of that. And of course, I did talk this week about how I find so annoying and useless everything I see when I have a Bing page open. So of course, one of the things that came up is, did it actually create a dent in Google's business in the search engine? And we've got numbers, and the numbers seem to say that people still don't care about Bing. It hasn't really meaningfully changed in any way. And according to the stat counter Global Stats, Bing is at 2.8% market share, which is roughly what it was. It was at 2.5 to 2.7 in the last year. So it hasn't really increased much. If it did, it's probably even in the margin of error of the survey anyways. So people still don't care about Bing. To give you an idea of the 6 most used search engines, okay, guys, here we go. Google is 92.6%. That means people are using in any way, through a browser, through the page, through all sorts of means, Google search, 92.6%. Then the second most popular is Bing at 2.8%. Gives you an idea of how there's a huge difference in how Google controls everything. Yandex, 1.65%. Yahoo, 1.1%, thinking that Yahoo was once number one in, the late 90s, early 2000s. It's crazy when you think about it. DuckDuckGo at 0.5%. And Baidu, which I believe is a Chinese search engine, at 0.44%. So Google is definitely the king of search, and nope, Bing does not or hasn't really improved in any way, or pretty much even with the integration of the Bing AI in it. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.